This is Atul Patrikar with Say Patrikar. So our today's topic is like why async and await is important in C sharp application. So many C sharp developers use async and await, but very few understand why it is important. So in this video, I will explain async await in simple language with C sharp example. If you are preparing for interview or working on web APIs, so this video is for you. So I have created one console application using .NET Framework 8.0. In real application, we are calling database, APIs, and files or cloud services. So this operation takes time, and if you block the thread, so our application becomes slow. So like in after deploying the application in the production, so some users reported some issues like that application is not loading properly. While loading the application, it's take too much time. So like this issue, like this incidents we are getting after the post deployment in production server. Okay, so now I will show you uh, what method is blocking. Okay, if you are not using any async and await, then how your application is stuck. Public I action result. Okay, so namespace is required. I am installing the namespace that required for I action result. Get data. Okay, so the method name is get data, and I'm using thread dot sleep. Okay, thread dot sleep. So some user is use like thread dot sleep, and the time, so 5000 is for 5 seconds. So consider this is a database call. Okay, long running operation or DB call. Okay, DB call. Once data retrieved successfully, or we can just use the okay return type, okay method for returning the data. Okay, so I have installed the namespace from the get package solution. Okay, object result with new keyword. Okay, so the problem is with this code, like I'm trying to run this application. Let's see what output we'll get. Okay, so I'm calling that get data where result, then console dot write line result dot value and console console dot read. So now I'm going to execute this code. So now you can see that in this line number 7, so thread goes to sleep mode for 5 seconds. Okay, after that, so now here in this code we are blocking the thread. So due to this our application is running slow or it's taking some time. So there is no uh, performance improvement using this code. Okay, so I will start the execution of this code. So now you can see 1 2 3 4 5. After 5 seconds our method execution is completed. So in future, for example, we have created one more method to fetch any other data. So once this method execution is completed, after that this execution is goes to the second method. So for the timing, this thread is going to the sleep mode. Okay, so this is a bad example. So many developers is using this code, okay, for complete the operation. Okay, so now, so for like this explanation, like this is a thread is block. Okay, due to if you use this type of method or if you use this thread dot sleep functionality in your C sharp code, so thread is block. Okay, the second is server waits. Okay, server waits. The third is cannot serve other users. Okay, other request while waiting for the long running operation to complete. Okay, poor scalability and user experience is poor as the application appears unresponsive. Resource utilization is insufficient and bad potential for deadlocks and certain scenarios and not suitable for input output bound operation. Then not suitable for high concurrency scenarios. Better to use asynchronous programming. Okay, so now one more point is like bad for performance under load. Okay, so now I will show you the example with async and await. Okay, now I'm just trying to add here async task. For task we need to add namespace. Okay, so namespace name is using system dot threading dot task. I'm going to remove this. Await tasks delay. Okay, simulate a long running operation. Then I'm using the same thing. Okay, task as data. Mm, okay, so you can see I have added the async for this method, and here you can see line number 13 I have used the await keyword. So now in this task is only delay for 5 seconds but not blocking any other threads. Okay, so now I'm executing this code. Now you can see it's task delaying for 5 seconds. So once, so you can see we are able to retrieve the other method. Okay, so like this you can use a async and await in your benefit is for this. If you use this code, so the benefit is like thread is released, thread is released, server handle other request, application becomes scalable. Okay. And one more thing is like async and await do not make code faster, they make applications scalable by using a thread efficiency. So now thank you for watching this video. In the next part I will show you how to call the database, how to call the store procedure in ASP.NET Core Web application with async and await performance. So we can call the multiple method in one method, like for we are encapsulate the all method in one. Okay, so I will show you in the next part. So thank you for watching this video.